Good morning, boys and girls. It is Fun Day Friday. And before we get started with our Fun Day Friday, I would like us to begin our day with, Do You Know Who Died for Me? Let's sing it together. I know you know it well, so you sing loud just like me. Ready? Do you know who died for me? Jesus did, Jesus did. Lovingly he died for me. Yes, he really did. Do you know who rose for me? Jesus did, Jesus did. Lovingly he rose for me. Yes, he really did. Do you know who lives for me? Jesus does, Jesus does. Lovingly he lives for me. Yes, he really does. Thank you, boys and girls. Let's take a look at our tally board. Boys and girls, let's add a tally to mark today's day of learning at home. And now let's count. Count by fives. 5, 10, 15, 16, 17. 1, 7. Another teen number. And boys and girls, I thought that since we were talking about the syllables in our names and what syllable we had a lot of in our classroom, remember? A lot of friends with 2 syllables? Right. Let's see about hair color. Let's see, what hair color do we have a lot of in our class? We'll have a blonde group, we'll have a light brown group, and we'll have a dark brown or black group. Dark hair, medium hair, light hair. Let's give it a try. Let's start out with Andrew. What color of hair do you think Andrew has? Light brown, right, light brown. That's where we're gonna put Andrew. Now, next friend is Brooklyn. What color of hair does Brooklyn have? Dark brown. Now let's see here. Who's our next friend? Evelyn C. What color hair does she have? I'd say light brown, right? Light brown curls. Let's see our next friend. Gigi. What color hair does Gigi have? Dark brown. We have a tie so far. No blonde friends so far. Let's see here. Who's our next friend? Brantley. What color hair does Brantley have? Blonde, right. His hair is blonde. Now let's see our next friend. Maceo. Maceo's hair is dark brown. Let's see our next friend. Natasha. Natasha's hair is blonde. Yeah. Her hair is blonde, like Brantley. Who's our next friend? Zara. Zara's hair is, I'd say, light brown too. Yeah, light brown. Who's our next friend? Lauren. What color is Lauren's hair? Dark brown, almost black. There we go. Looks like we have the most dark brown so far, and black. Who's next? Wyatt. I think Wyatt's hair is light brown. Who's next? Thomas. I think his hair is kind of close to the same as Wyatt's. Light brown. Boys and girls, let's see who we have next. Lindsay. Lindsay's hair is dark brown. Very dark brown, yes. Now let's see who is next. Gus. 1 syllable Gus. What color hair does he have? Light brown? Yes. Who's our next friend? Ezra. What color is Ezra's hair? Blonde, right. Another blonde friend. Who's our next friend? Lainey. Lainey's hair is, yeah, light brown. Uh-oh, we're running out of space. We might have to go up like this. Gonna turn the corner. And boys and girls, who's our next friend? Evelyn Franzen. What color is Evelyn's hair? I'd say light brown. Gonna have to turn the corner. That's right. And our last friend, Nolan. He has blonde hair. Let's see. How many friends have blonde hair? Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4. How many friends have dark brown hair? Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And how many friends have light brown hair? Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. I think most of our friends have light brown hair. And then quite a few of our friends have dark brown hair. And then only 4 have blonde hair. That's kind of fun. Good job, boys and girls. Now, let's take a look at our calendar. Boys and girls, as always, you should have your Beat the Cat chart, your hundreds chart, and your dry erase board. Okay? Let's take a look here. Let's sing our days of the week. Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday. Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday. Count with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24. And is 24, here it is, a red apple or green apple? What do you think? Red apple, right. Red apple 24. Now, boys and girls, you make good guesses. I'm starting to see a pattern. So let's guess next week if we'll have a green apple or a red apple on a certain date. Next Tuesday, is it going to be a green apple or red apple? Look diagonally. Red apple. Red apple, green apple, red apple, green apple, red apple. You see a pattern. Okay. What'll be our apple color on Sunday? Green. Green apple, red apple, green apple, red apple, green apple. Very good. How about next Thursday? What'll be our apple color? Look at the diagonals. Green. Green apple, red apple, green apple. Very good. Follow my finger. Friday. Today is Friday, so tomorrow must be Saturday. It's a Saturday tomorrow. Now we say our sentence. Listen. Today is Friday, April 24th, 2020. Say that with me. Today is Friday, April 24th, 2020. Now, boys and girls, before we get into calendar and weather, let's do some rhyming and opposites. Here we go. Boys and girls, can you figure out my rhyming words? This is a bed. This is a sled. Bed, sled. They rhyme. They both end in ed. Now, how about these two rhyming words? This is a skate. And what is this that would rhyme with skate? Skate, door? No. Skate, fence? No. Skate, gate. You open the gate. Let's say that together. Skate, gate, and this is bed, sled. Now let's turn our board over and take a look at some tricky opposites. Boys and girls, what are the opposites? Notice there's a line here and a line here. Think about the line and what else you see in the picture. The balloon is above, and the balloon is below. Above, below are opposites. Either it's above or it's below. Now, what are these opposites? Think about the girl's hand. She's showing us her right hand. That's her hand she puts over her heart to say the pledges. And here she's showing us her left hand. Boys and girls, starting next week, we're going to talk about our right and our left, okay? I know we've been practicing a little bit this week when we sing the Buggy Wuggy song. You have a right wing and you have a left wing. Let's say our opposites together. Above, below, right, left. Very good, boys and girls. Now, let's see what our weather is today. It's another cloudy day. We've had lots of cloudy days, haven't we? In fact, I think we might even get some sprinkles today. We'll have to see what the weatherman brings. We'll have to see what God brings, right? Let's spell cloudy. Get out your board, boys and girls. And you write as I build the word. C, L, O, U. Are you writing it? D, and Y. Does your word cloudy look like mine? Now underneath your cloudy word, can you draw a cloudy picture? There's a cloud. There's a cloud. There's a cloud. I'm even going to add a few raindrops. Can you add a few raindrops? Cloudy. Very good, boys and girls. Now, if it's cloudy out, this is what our temperature says. 42 degrees. Come on over to our numbers chart. You get out yours. Let's find 42. Ones, teens, 20s, 30s, 40. 41, 42. Circle 42, boys and girls. And now let's come on over here and take a look at our thermometer. Yesterday was 40. Now we are going to go up 2 numbers, 41, 42. 42 degrees. Hopefully next week we'll have some days in the 50s. Now, boys and girls, is 42 even or odd? This is what I want you to do to remember our even and odd numbers. Let's put O for odd up at the top above our numbers and E for even. So put an O above 1, put an E above 2. O, above 3, E above 4. O above 5, E above 6. O above 7, E above 8. O above 9, E above 10. Odd numbers are the ones that have O above them. 1, 3, 5, 7, 9. Even numbers have an E above them. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. Well, let's go up. 42 is an even number. Now let's figure out my mystery numbers. I seem to notice a pattern. Boys and girls, what comes after 54? 55. Can you circle it? And now, what comes after 59? 50, 10. No. What comes 10 after 50? 50, 60. Circle the 60. Now, boys and girls, if this is 55, this must be 65. Circle the 65. And what comes after 69? It's a tens number. 70. Circle the 70. Boys and girls, what comes after 65? What's 10 bigger? 75. Circle 75. And what is 10 bigger than 70? 75. 80. Right. The 0 stays the same and the number 7 gets bigger by 1. Just like here. The 5 stays the same and the 7 gets bigger by 1. 75 turns into 85. Circle it. Now let's see what we have here. What's 10 bigger than 80? 90. And boys and girls, keep the 5. The 8 gets bigger by 1. 85 turns into 95. And what is that biggest number? 100, of course. Boys and girls, if we say these numbers, we're counting by 5. Let's do it. Start with 55. 55, 60, 65, 70, 75, 80, 85, 90, 95, 100. Very good. Now let's do our number chart. All about the number 13. Can you write 13? 1 and a 3. And now let's spell 13. T. Boys and girls, are you writing neatly like me? I hope so. H. I. R. T. E with a corner. E with a corner. Teen. N. 13, that is a long word. And remember, it ends in teen. Now let's show 13 with our X's. 1, 2. Do your X's touch the corners? I hope so. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, let's keep going, 11, 12, 13. We stop. That's what 13 looks like. Now let's see what 13 looks like with tally marks. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4. What do we do with 5? Cross it out. There's our bundle. After 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Cross out your next bundle of 5. Count up from 10. 11, 12, 13. We did it. Now let's find 13 on the number line. 1, 3. There it is. And what number comes before 13? 12. 1, 2. What number comes after 13? 14. But you make your 4 like this. Not like that. Good job, boys and girls. To end our morning, or to end our calendar time, I'd like us to think about our shapes. Come on over here, boys and girls. And let's see if we can sing the shape song from beginning to end. I'm going to take off my ring here so that we can turn our pages quickly. Here we go. I'm Mama Circle, round like a pie. I'm Baby Triangle, 3 sides have I. I am Papa Square, my sides are 4. I'm Cousin Rectangle, shaped like a door. I am Brother Oval, shaped like a 0. I'm Sister Diamond with a sparkle and a glow. I am Uncle Octagon, shaped like a stop sign. I am Auntie Hexagon, shaped like a cracker. I am Grandma Heart, as cute as can be. I am Grandpa Star, 5 points, don't you see? These are the shapes that you all know. Look for us wherever you go. Look at what I have here. Our beautiful butterfly that isn't very colorful. Boys and girls, I want you to follow the colors of the crayons and color in the shapes to make this butterfly symmetrical. That means matching on both sides. So if you color this oval orange, what color are you going to make this oval? Orange. I'd like you to stay in the lines and show me your best work. Don't forget your name at the top. Thank you.